Mommy, I need some sprinkles on mine.
Hey, be careful.
I know.
Put chocolate on there. No. Put it on there.
How about we can all be at an ice cream shop?
Mm-hmm. No sprinkles?
Little curl hair. There. And I have to take out my spoon. There's a part of my there. Then more. Then 2 marshmallows.
I need a bigger bowl.
Well, I have one.
What about chocolate sauce?
Oh yeah, I like some chocolate sauce. Only a little bit. That's enough. Go in the eyeball. And I need some eyebrows. There's the marshmallow. And the marshmallow.
Can't eat it.
Once you're done,